Alright, hello everyone. Welcome to the Box Busters break of 2014 Totally Certified Football. First thing we want to do, why don't I show everyone the time, just so we know when this is happening. Valentine's Day 2015, 10:25 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, and there's no serial number to show on football breaks, but that's sealed. Okay, we're going to do the teams. I'm going to randomize the team list once.
One time.
No fun when it's only one time. Alright, we're trying a different way to screen cap this time, so bear with us if it messes up. But the list, why don't you scroll down so everyone sees their name. We are going to randomize this list only once, because that's what I rolled, and then paste it next to the team list, which is not going to go anywhere. Once the list is pasted next to the teams, you'll be able to refer to that the whole break.
Ready?
Yep.
There it is.
Okay, so that's going to get Control-C'd, hopefully.
Oh, there it is.
It took a while, I don't know why.
Huh. Yeah, so that's all good, right?
Yep, get rid of that. And those are your teams over there. Just taking a look real quick. Just for funsies. Okay, and these are just giveaways. We'll do them... No, we're going to need that list again, probably. Because we can't roll the dice.
No.
For hockey and baseball, we can just roll my 30-sided die. But since football is dumb and they have 32 teams, it's not as easy as that. Okay, good luck to everybody. Here we go. There's 4 packs. Base card, unnumbered base cards don't ship. So, I mean, if it's got a serial number, parallel, whatever, that'll go out. But just regular old base cards will stay here. Oh, it opens like that. Okay. Good luck, everybody. Okay, the first hit is for Oakland. It's a Mike Davis autograph rookie for Nilbog Tourist.
Good auto.
Yeah, just kind of a scribble. No number on that. Base cards look cool, though. Okay, Brandon Cooks blue parallel for the Saints.
And on my fantasy team.
Oh, shit. 8 out of 50 on that. And for the Chiefs, we have a rookie roll call jersey card. 17 out of 100. And that is Ho Holtz 10. Two more packs. Okay, we've got a red parallel for the Texans. 14 out of 100. And that's Tao. And for the Broncos, another Tao. No number. Monty Ball. Looks like pants. perhaps, but it's nice and marked up. That's pretty cool.
Huh. I don't see it ever.
Yeah, really. Guess it could be jersey. I don't know. I can't tell the difference from football. Pretty cool. Last pack. Another Raiders hit. Khalil Mack. Rookie penmanship. Product of UB, I believe. Highly touted. And that's just a spacer. Okay. We're not done yet. Each of these is a set of 3, and whoever wins each one gets a choice of the 3. Just that's how we do it here at the Box Busters. For this first one, we're going to randomize it once. And we're just going to, you can just keep randomizing the same lists.
Like, it's just an already randomized.
Yeah, that way it's randomized either way. Kenbrell Tompkins, last year's totally certified autograph. Margus Hunt, or a Justin Blackman Prism autograph. So if you win this one, you get a choice of those 3.
One time.
And we'll,
So it'll say.
and whoever's on top in this case.
So it should say 2 if we're doing it.
Yeah, it'll say 2.
Tau.
Tau. Okay. And if you don't let us know, we usually pick one to send out as a default in case you're taking too long to tell us. We'll just send the Blackman out. But that's only if you don't get back to us. Okay, for this one, it's either a Lance Briggs jersey card, and that's numbered at $2.99. Vance McDonald jersey, rookie roll call jersey, numbered at $2.99, or a Randy Moss jersey card out of $125. 3 times. And it'll say 5 by the end. Randomize this list 5 times. Okay, one more time. Tau again. Congrats to you, and we'll do the Randy Moss because it's lowest number. That's only if you don't get back to us. And as for this last one, we usually only do 2, but we haven't done football in a long time, so I just threw another set in. Jeff Fuller autograph, black out of $1.99. Chandler Harnish autograph, no number, or a Ronell Lewis playbook autograph. And that's numbered to 140, and we'll call that the default one if you don't get back to us. 1. This guy's cleaning up.
6 times.
Alright, congratulations to everyone who won a card, and to Tau for winning all of the giveaways. We're doing a certified, regular certified football. That's next Saturday. We're going to try and do one every week now. And for hockey, we have this coming up on Thursday, totally certified. And then this is on March 5th, these 2 boxes. I thought I was going to be away on the 26th, so I might just get a box and stick one in there between them. So, and then, obviously, I got to get more football for later. But that's all we've got scheduled right now. But just go to boxbusters.com, that's with a hyphen, and sign up. And tell your friends, and thank you very much again. See ya.